Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Happy Vlogmas Day 4. I just got out of the shower and just washed my hair. So I thought that would be a perfect time to unbox the Revlon One Step Volumizer Plus. I have been seeing this all over YouTube, all over TikTok, and I'm like, okay, it's my turn to try to see if this works on my hair and if it's as great as everyone says it is. So let's unbox this together and let's give it a try. There's the Revlon blow dry brush, which is the first one they ever came out with, and this is the newest one. What makes it different is that this Revlon brush actually has 4 heating settings, so low, medium, high, and cool. And it's also detachable, so it's great for when you are traveling and all that. All right, got it open, and this is how it looks. So it has a travel and storage friendly detachable head, and then there also has a lock and head release button, and apparently it's a better styling control with a sleek handle, and also has 40% longer lasting motor. So let's see how to use this, because I honestly have no idea, so I hope there's instructions. Okay, there is. I do know that this one comes in different colors. I can't remember which colors it comes in, but the one I got is black and red. That was the only one that was in stock. Okay, this goes in here, and I'm guessing you just lock that in place. There is a lock and unlock, so I just locked it right there. Now, what do I do? Let's see. I'm guessing you just turn it on and give it a go. So I'm gonna plug it in. The cord is pretty long as well. So my hair is about 75% dry. Don't mind Cooper, he's over here barking. And I saw a lot of TikToks that said like your hair shouldn't be soaking wet, it should be about 75% dry. So it's mostly the back that's still kind of wet. So let's give this a try. This button, I believe it's to, I don't know what this button is for actually. Okay. Alright, so the settings are on the bottom here. Low, medium, cool, and high. My question is, how do I turn you on? To turn unit on, place fingers around the temperature control dial and rotate counterclockwise to desired setting. Okay. Why am I nervous? So we're gonna go this way. So we're gonna go to low. I don't think it's on. Do I need to reset? Okay. Why am I nervous? Inside you can see the wires. That's getting me a little nervous. So I'm gonna put it on low. Okay. Up to medium. Okay, so this is one side fully blown out. I like it. My hair feels very soft, and I would say it dries pretty quickly. And it's shiny. Like, I don't see a difference in volume. I have pretty fine hair, so I don't see anything like volume wise. Maybe like maybe a little. No, this side I did not blow dry, so y'all can see a difference. But I think I like it. I really do like it. I feel like it's so much easier than holding a brush and then holding a blow dryer to just. And also I have pretty like wavy hair, so I think maybe if you have curly hair, I think a blow dryer and a handheld brush is much better. I feel like you'll get closer to the roots. But other than that, I would say like I think I did pretty well. Like, I'm lifting up to see if there's any waves or anything, but I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let me go ahead and do this side, and then I will come back to y'all when I'm done. Okay, so I finished blowing out this side. I don't have much hair right here, so one side, like this side, looks more like fuller than this side, if you're wondering. So it's not the brush, it's my hair. But other than that, I really do like it. I got it for Black Friday, so I did get it on sale. I got it for $40, I think, or $42. I think the regular price is $79.99. I'll put the price right here. This video is not sponsored, by the way. If you're into getting blowouts and want to do your own blowout at home, super fast and easy, highly recommend go ahead and purchase this for yourself or for somebody else for Christmas. I'll leave the link down below. I got mine from Bed Bath & Beyond on sale, so I'll link the Bed Bath & Beyond one. If that one's sold out, I'll link one on Amazon. But it's so, like, my hair looks so shiny. I love it.